Hi guys, don't mind my hair, it's all over the place. So I created this beautiful glass skin look and I am loving the way it turned out to be, and I thought I'll just share with you how I do my glass skin, which I really love. And this this look is not going anywhere for about 8 hours. That is like hands down guarantee that I take, because I have tried, tested, wore it, and it doesn't budge. You have to take care of a lot of things. The techniques that I use, they should work for you as well, but again, you can experiment with things that you feel comfortable with. And I hope you enjoy this look, and do let me know in the comment section below what is the next thing that you would love to see, and I would be excited to create it. So don't forget to like and share, and let me know what you think of this look.